Welcome to Computer Literacy. I'm Evelyn. I'm going to show you how to create a new folder. You right click on the screen, you go and select new, then folder. The folder is created. If you want to name it, you can call it now. You see, and you release the mouse button just like that. Now, let's say you want to move this audio file to that folder now. You click it, then you track it and release the mouse button when you reach that folder. Let's open, you can see it's now, it shows that it is there. Let's double click the folder and see, you see. Let's say now I want to move one folder to another folder. Let's say I take this image folder to now folder. It's now there, like open is now there. You see, suppose you want to create a zip or compressed folder, you first have to highlight the files you want to put in the zip folder. Let's say now I click this add folder and this, like I highlighted, then right click on them and select send to compressed or zip folder. You see, now the zip folder is there and it's naming it spa art, like the files it contains. Let's double click it. You can even send an email if we've got large files to someone. Let's say now I want to open MS Word and see if we can um, let's say now go to file, say new, then let's say now I create new MS Word document and type hello world. And if I want to turn this into bold, I have to highlight it and go to bold and increase the size here. These are just the shortcuts if I want to um, change the text highlight. Just choose there. If I want to choose the font color, I just go and select that red, whatever. Let's say now I want to save this file to a certain file location. I go to file, say save as, then select here which location, maybe on the desktop or maybe on my documents, maybe on the pictures, or maybe somewhere, let's say in documents. Usually automatically it goes to documents. Let's say now I want to change the file name. I can say hello world. Let's say I add D. Then save as type. Which type? You can even select the PDF or any plain text or Windows, Excel, like that. Then say now. I say save. Now the file is saved. Let's say now I want to check or I want the file. I don't know where I put it. I go here on this box here, I type, let's say I want to spar zone. The files will spar zone, they will spar zone. I must check the spelling. You see, here are this. Let's say now I want to check on this PC. Then see spar zone is searching now. As you can see now, it's searching. I will have to wait and see if the spar zone um, pass there. If I'm in a hurry, I just go to documents and search Spazzo. You see, those are the files in Spazzo, in PowerPoint, in MS Word. Let's say I wanted this Spazzo flyer. I double click it or I right click and say open, just like that. Then the Spazzo file is here. It's opening. It's in here. You see, that's the Spazzo I was looking for. Now, let's say you want to move. This is this person I was talking about. The file I just opened. It. Let's say now I want to move one multiple files to a folder again. I right click. No, I can click and press Control on the keyboard. You see, then release the Control key, then move to. Let's do it again. This one, then this one, then move or just like this. No, I want this one and this one, then move to images. That's how you see now they are moving. They are no more in the original location. They are moving to that folder. We told it to go to that sleep folder. That's how we do it. And let's see if you want to rename a folder. You come here to that folder and you right click it and you select rename, then you can say spa. Then that's how we do it. Let's check for see the file locations. You go to File Explorer here. Then you see on the PC we've got local C, DVD, RAWs, and new volume, and the pictures, desktop, and so on. Let's say I want to open here. Is where the program files are. There are so many, but now if you want to copy a file, let's say the original file is in, let's open in my document. I want to copy this bath salt sticker file. I just right click and copy and put it maybe on the desktop. Right click on the desktop, then paste. You see, it is, but it doesn't delete it. If I want to delete this file, I right click it, then I say delete. It goes straight to the recycle bin here. If I want to double click, let's say I want to take this back to the original location, I right click it and say restore. Let's go and check. You see, it is there on the my documents again. And let's say now I want to move this now to this image zip folder. If you don't track it, you can right click it and cut, do apply cut option is now inactive, as you can see, and right click on the folder you want to put, then you say paste. You see it moved, it's no more on the original location. Double click that zip folder, you can see it's there now. That's how we do it. Let's say now I want to open a video file. Let's open this one in. You see, it's now it's now playing. That's the video file. Let's say I want to open the image file. I right click it and say open. It shows here. That's the image file, video files, then the Microsoft files or the text files like we have seen. Let's say now I want to open just the music. Let's open, right click here, then say play with media player. You can even choose any type. You see that now the music is playing. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And I would say welcome, welcome to